The United States has just introduced a low-cost drone inspired by Iran's Shahed 136, and this development reveals something much bigger than a simple design adaptation. Instead of dismissing a rival's technology, American engineers studied it, refined it, and built their own version called Lucas for roughly $35,000 per unit. This move signals a powerful shift in modern defense thinking, where affordability, scale, and adaptability may matter more than complexity. The creation of the low-cost, uncrewed combat attack system, known as Lucas, reflects a calculated strategic decision rather than a reactive move. When the Iranian-designed Shahed 136 gained international attention for its cost efficiency and operational endurance, defense analysts took notice. Instead of focusing only on its political context, they examined why the platform worked. The answer was surprisingly straightforward: simplicity, affordability, and scalability. The Shahed 136 uses a delta wing layout, a compact fuselage, and a rear-mounted propeller engine designed for long-range endurance rather than speed. Its structure minimizes complexity, which dramatically lowers production costs. Reports suggest the US version, Lucas, costs approximately $35,000 per unit, an amount significantly lower than many traditional precision-guided systems that can cost hundreds of thousands or more per deployment. That cost difference is not trivial. It transforms how planners think about resource allocation and operational flexibility. But Lucas is not a carbon copy. US engineers adapted the concept and integrated American communication systems, updated navigation modules, and improved software architecture. Satellite communication compatibility allows extended control options. Modular payload configurations provide flexibility depending on mission parameters. The structure preserves the efficiency of the original design while enhancing interoperability within broader operational networks. This process highlights an important reality about modern technological competition. Reverse engineering is often misunderstood as imitation without innovation. In reality, it can be a powerful accelerator. When a design has already proven functional in real-world conditions, studying it can shorten development timelines. Engineers can focus on improving weaknesses instead of reinventing the entire framework. The broader lesson is strategic humility combined with industrial confidence. Instead of ignoring a competitor's effective solution, the United States recognized its value and adapted it within its own industrial ecosystem. That ecosystem includes secure supply chains, advanced software capabilities, and scalable manufacturing capacity. This shift signals something larger. Modern defense innovation increasingly blends adaptation with refinement. The emphasis is no longer solely on breakthrough inventions. It is on recognizing what works, improving it, and deploying it efficiently. And that mindset sets the stage for a deeper transformation in global military economics. The emergence of Lucas marks a clear pivot toward affordability as a strategic asset. For decades, Western defense doctrine prioritized highly advanced platforms, stealth aircraft, long-range precision systems, and complex electronic frameworks. These assets remain critical, but they are also expensive to build, maintain, and deploy. In an era defined by rapid technological change, cost efficiency becomes a strategic multiplier. Affordable drones change the equation entirely. When a system costs roughly $35,000 instead of millions, planners gain room to operate. They can distribute capability across multiple platforms rather than concentrating it in a few high-value systems. This diversification increases flexibility and reduces reliance on singular assets. The economic implications extend beyond acquisition costs. Lower-priced platforms enable quicker replenishment and faster iteration. If a component requires improvement, modular upgrades can be introduced without redesigning an entire airframe program. Software updates can enhance autonomy and communication features without altering structural elements. This agile development cycle mirrors the technology sector more than traditional defense procurement. Another key factor is scalability. Affordable systems can be produced in larger quantities within shorter timelines. That matters because modern strategic environments demand adaptability. Rapid manufacturing ensures that capabilities remain responsive to evolving conditions. This economic shift also influences global competition. Other nations, including China and Iran, have demonstrated the value of cost-effective unmanned systems. By entering this segment decisively, the United States signals that affordability is not a secondary consideration. It is central to future planning. This move challenges outdated assumptions that sophistication must always equal high expense. Moreover, affordable drones complement high-end systems rather than replace them. They can perform persistent monitoring, extend operational reach, and create layered capability structures. High-value assets can then focus on specialized tasks, while lower-cost systems handle broader coverage. The emphasis on scalable innovation reflects a broader understanding. Industrial resilience is as important as technological brilliance. The ability to produce efficiently, integrate rapidly, and iterate continuously defines modern strength. In that sense, Lucas represents more than a drone. It represents a recalibration of priorities towards sustainability and strategic depth. The introduction of Lucas carries implications far beyond a single program. It signals that the era of accessible unmanned systems has matured into a defining element of global strategy. When a major power embraces an affordable platform derived from a competitor's design, it sends a message about adaptability and pragmatism. First, this development reshapes how nations evaluate technological advantage. Rather than assuming superiority through exclusivity, there is recognition that effective ideas can emerge from multiple sources. By studying and refining an existing concept, the United States demonstrates confidence in its capacity to enhance and integrate foreign-derived frameworks within its own advanced ecosystem. Second, industrial ecosystems become decisive. Producing thousands of units requires reliable supply chains, advanced manufacturing processes, and stable access to components. The integration of Lucas into the American defense infrastructure underscores confidence in domestic production capabilities. Industrial depth becomes a strategic asset, ensuring continuity and resilience. Third, innovation cycles accelerate. Modular architecture allows continuous upgrades. Advances in artificial intelligence, autonomous navigation, and sensor integration can be layered onto existing designs. This incremental improvement model ensures that the platform evolves rather than stagnates. The story of Lucas is not about imitation. It is about adaptation, industrial strength, and strategic evolution. By reverse engineering a proven design and enhancing it within a secure manufacturing ecosystem, the United States signals a shift towards scalable, affordable innovation. In today's world, flexibility and production capacity are as influential as cutting-edge breakthroughs. As unmanned systems continue to evolve, the nations that adapt fastest and integrate smartest will define the future landscape. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, because the next transformation is already underway.